In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a personal API token in Monday and prepare Power BI Desktop for the next part of the setup. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to the monday.com website. From there, sign into your account as you normally would. Make sure you're using the correct workspace and that you have access to the settings you'll need because some account types may show slightly different menu options. Once you're fully logged in, take a moment to confirm that the dashboard has loaded completely before moving on. Next, look to the top corner of the screen for your profile avatar. This is usually where account level options and personal settings are stored. Click on your avatar to open the account menu. In that menu, select administration. On some accounts, you may see developer instead, so if administration is not available, choose developer. Both paths are commonly used depending on your account setup, and either one should take you to the area where developer-related settings can be managed. Once you're in the appropriate section, locate the option to generate a personal API token. This token is used to allow secure communication between monday.com and other tools, such as Power BI. When you generate the token, treat it like sensitive access information. You should avoid sharing it publicly, posting it in screenshots, or storing it in unsecured documents. As soon as the token appears, copy it to your clipboard so it's ready for the next stage. It's a good idea to keep it somewhere secure temporarily if you think you may need to paste it a little later. After that, leave monday.com open if you want easy access to the token, then open Power BI Desktop on your computer. If Power BI Desktop is already installed, simply launch the application and wait for it to load fully. Depending on your system, this may take a few moments. Opening it now helps you prepare for the connection process that usually comes next, and it saves time once you're ready to use the token. At this point, you've completed the key preparation steps. You've logged into monday.com, accessed the administration or developer area, generated and copied your personal API token, and opened Power BI Desktop. Make sure your token remains private and keep both applications available so you're ready to continue with the integration process smoothly.